What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. The camera is a little bit sideways. Yeah, it looks better now, I think. Yeah, I think so. So welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and good morning. And yeah, welcome to another video on reserve rights. Wanted to cover RSR real quick, which is the name of the token. Because I saw that it was relatively bullish. I mean, as you can see, the volume is over 100 million, almost 80% of the market cap, which is great. Apart from that, over the last 24 hours, it's up 14% as well. And against the market, I mean, that's even stronger. It's up 26% against Ethereum, even though Ethereum has had quite a big bearish breakout. But yeah, so it's holding up. Reserve rights, as you can see, is on my watch list. I think it's a little bit too high right now for a bear market to buy for the long term, but it's definitely one I'm looking at for the long term. Then if we take a look at the chart, it's quite interesting too, because this is when all those inflation rate news happened. Most cryptos start to fall from there. And like if RSR were to follow other cryptos, it would be down at like 0.7 cents right now. But what we actually did is we found a break retest off of this 0.85 cent level, which is a pretty strong key level, but I didn't think it would be that strong. Found support there and even broke above this trend line, which is a great thing. It doesn't mean anything yet. Because we still have this 382 fib at around 0.95 cents, which is a strong resistance holding us back, but it is some sort of an indicator of that there still is quite a lot of bullish momentum within RSR, and that is quite powerful too. So I'd say, and you can look back at this, like overall we've just been in this uptrend. And then here, obviously, we had a massive spike. This spike wasn't like this for all cryptos, though. I mean, if we take a look at the last 7 days, on CoinMarketCap day, they said it was a 0.11, which would be this level. So this spike differs from exchange to exchange, but nonetheless, we got quite a nice bull run. From there, we got back down to these EMAs and to the general uptrend, and now we're trending up again. So I'd say, I mean, as long as we're staying above that uptrend, which, to put it into perspective, as long as we stay above 0.84 cents, so right here, we're fine. But that does mean that within the next like 2 or 3 days, we need to break above 0.95 cents. Which as of right now, I'm just not sure if that's possible. The market is quite, I mean, overall it's bearish, but relatively to the last few days, it's really bearish too. So I'm not sure if RSR has the strength to do that, but the main thing is if we break above 0.95 cents, I think we can easily get up to that 1.14 and 1.1 cent level, which would be great. From there, I'll probably update it again because that's a nice gain. But somehow I'm more biased towards us breaking through 0.84 cents. Which, as I said, it's the main support holding us up now. That's basically the support of this uptrend for now. And if we break down below that, we break that uptrend, we break that market structure. And for RSR right now, I do think we would find support here at around 0.7 cents, but then we would just consolidate for some time and maybe wait for this uptrend to come, so that later on within the next weeks we can actually continue this uptrend. But that's just my bias because of the whole market. And that might be a stupid thing to think, because RSR, as you can see, has not moved along with the market at all over the past days. So it's a tough one, but it's really a 50-50 depending on whether we hold 0.84 cents or whether we break down below that. Even though I'm biased towards that we break down below that, and I don't think we'll crash that hard, but I do think we would drop down a little and then consolidate for some time. But that's just my opinion, and as I said, it's on my watch list. I think it has a lot of long-term potential. But for now, it's basically my analysis. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And yeah, if you found it valuable, please consider liking and subscribing. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.